Body detox to lose weight. Hi, welcome back to Naturel. Always remember that an excellent medicine is to laugh, so for today I have a joke for you. Do you know, why was the math book sad? I give you a few minutes to think. And before we start, click the subscription button and the notification bell, so you do not miss on future videos. Now, let's jump into our topic for today. If you are trying to lose weight, you may want to try body detoxification. This will get rid of the waste in your body and you will feel much lighter. Many people who are looking for a way to lose weight opt for body detoxification. It is one of the healthiest ways to lose weight. Because you tend to store waste in your intestines, you may end up feeling bloated and retaining weight. Body detox eliminates the waste from your body and makes you feel lighter instantly. That being said, body detoxification is not a laxative. It is a natural way to eliminate waste from your system that leads to weight loss. Losing weight can be difficult, especially if you want to take the pounds off fast. One way that you can use body detoxification is to help you lose those extra pounds. You can provide your body with nutrients and vitamins it needs to function while at the same time, lose weight. The main ingredient that you need is water. You can use herbal supplements along with vitamins to help you lose weight with body detoxification. Drinking plenty of water is one of the safest ways to lose weight. Water not only hydrates your system, but also fills you up and helps you expel excess water. You should drink 8 glasses of water a day whether or not you are trying to lose weight. Water is even more essential when you are trying to lose weight. Water alone, however, is not sufficient when it comes to taking kilos off. You need to supply your body with nutrients, especially if you are skipping meals. On top of that, you need to cleanse the digestive tract so that waste is eliminated. Body detox is a safe way to lose weight fast. Instead of taking weight loss pills that often contain illegal pharmaceutical ingredients, you can take off the weight with a healthy detox recipe. You can create your own body detox formula by mixing water with ingredients such as lemon and pepper that will cleanse out your system. Using a natural detox cleanse to put weight away is safer than diet drinks that act as laxatives and contain chemicals. When you are looking for a way to detox your body to help you lose weight, look for one that has all natural ingredients instead of one that is filled with chemicals, as this will not only help you lose weight, but will also be healthier for your body. Green tea is one of the key components when it comes to weight loss and body detox. Green tea acts like a diuretic and can help you lose weight quicker. You should drink green tea without sugar in order to get the best results. Drink plenty of green tea a day and you will find that you are taking off the pounds. Cranberry also works as a diuretic and can help you put weight away faster. Be careful if you purchase it in the grocery store, as they are loaded with sugar. Cranberry will also help clean out your urinary tract. Have in mind that colon cleansing is essential if you want to lose weight fast, as it will eliminate any waste that is left in your intestines. At the end of this video, you will see an awesome colon cleanse recipe that will help you lose weight. This can help you lose weight at a dramatic speed if you use it often. It is important that you drink plenty of water when you are detoxing to lose weight. You never want to diet without supplementing yourself with water. By drinking 8 glasses of water a day and using a good, natural body detoxifier, you will take off weight quicker than dieting alone. Of course, it goes without saying that you should exercise as well when you are trying to lose weight with body detoxification. This is not a magic formula that lets you just lose weight while eating what you want. You still need to increase your activity as well as reduce the amount of calories that you are consuming. This body detox will, however, be an asset to your weight loss and will enable you to take in nutrients while cleansing your body of waste, helping you to lose weight. By the way, do you remember my joke? Why was the math book sad? The answer is because it has many problems. Body detox, cleanse. Recipe: 8 ounces of water, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed oil, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, 1 package of green tea. This is a body detoxifier that works well as a colon cleanser. Add the ingredients together before adding to the water. You may need to use the mortar and pestle to grind up the ginger or do it with a food processor. You want only to use fresh ginger for this cleanse. Open up the package of green tea and put it into the mix. Mix everything with the water and then drink. Follow it with 2 glasses of water. This is an excellent weight loss detoxifier. For best results, use only fresh ingredients. Thanks for watching.